Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer brand assets into Canva Teams, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer brand assets into Canva Teams, start by logging into your Canva account. Navigate to your home page. On the left sidebar, locate and click on the Brand tab. If you are using a Canva Pro or Enterprise account, you should see access to the Brand Kit. In the Brand Kit section, you can create a new brand kit or select an existing one. To create a new brand kit, click on Create Brand Kit and enter the name of your brand. Once the brand kit is created, you'll see options to upload your logo, select brand colors, and choose typography. For logos, click on the Upload button and select the logo files from your computer. Ensure your logo is in a high-resolution format for the best quality. Next, add your brand colors by clicking on the color palette. You can enter hex codes directly or use the color picker tool to select colors. Proceed to set your brand fonts by selecting from Canva's extensive font library. You can also upload custom fonts if you have specific typefaces for your brand. Once all assets are uploaded and selected, review your brand kit for accuracy. Now, let's share the brand kit with your team members. Navigate to the Teams section in the left sidebar. Select Invite Members to add team members to your Canva team. Enter their email addresses and assign appropriate permissions. After inviting team members, check their access to the brand kit. Communicate any necessary guidelines on how to use the brand assets. To ensure consistency, encourage team members to utilize the brand kit for all Canva projects. Now, your team can easily access and use the brand assets. Review your brand kit periodically to update any changes in your branding. With this setup, your brand assets are successfully transferred into Canva Teams. Your team is now equipped to create on-brand content efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.